Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. So today what we're doing is reviewing our Black Armour bed mat that we picked up for our Toyota Tacoma. Now, in addition to this review, we're working with Black Armour bed mats as well as Keep It Dirty Off-Road, another YouTube channel. We'll talk about that later. Stay tuned. We're going to talk about the giveaway in a little bit. Having a quality bed mat is important for truck owners. Now, being utility vehicles, trucks are constantly abused. You know, you're throwing stuff in and out of the bed all the time, whether that be tools, spare parts, you know, tires, wheels, freaking drywall, lumber, camping wood, all that stuff in and out of the truck every single weekend. It takes, you know, it gives wear and tear. When you have a bed mat, it protects your bed quite well. As for me, I've had a bed mat on the truck since I started owning it. I used to have the stock one, which was the regular one that says Tacoma on it. You can get it from the factory as an option. I picked it up and I'm glad I did, because if you look at the bed compared to the rest of the truck, it actually looks pretty nice. It's in decent condition because I've always had this protection for my bed. As for my Black Armour bed mat, I've had mine for about a month now, dating back to our first trip to John Bull. Mine's inside the truck. It's already been installed and looking dirty, and you know, it's already been through the ringer. This one right here, this is one of the giveaway models, so one of you lucky Tacoma owners will end up with this one. The mats are about a 1/2 inch thick, and that's twice the thickness as the stock mat, which honestly does make a difference, especially for us big boys. It's good on it's easy on the joints, because they're so much thicker, it gives a lot more padding. You know, when you're climbing around in your truck and organizing tools and organizing gear and stuffing all this stuff inside there, you're on your hands and knees. These feels better, and it's a lot better on your body. The bed mat looks to be pretty durable. Like I said, it's been on a few off-roading trips. I've even spilled motor oil and differential oil on it when I was turning all that stuff in to be recycled. Spilled it, you know, I wiped it up after a couple minutes and it didn't really show anything. It didn't like soak in. It took it pretty well. These are made from 100% recycled material, and they have diamond plate texture, which is pretty cool. It's nice. It's not so rough. It's not like, you know, the old one used to have like these giant lines that would dig in and stuff. Like this is just like, it's all smooth. It's a nice texture. It's very grippy. You know, you step on it, you're not slipping or anything like that. It's pretty nice. Now, they offer these bed mats for a wide range of vehicles. Like I said, we will link them below so you guys can check it out for your vehicles. I know off the top of my head, they have short and long bed Tacomas, as well as the Dodge Ram series, the Silverados, Sierras, as well as F-150, 250, and 350. And think about it, Jeep Gladiator, because Story Till Now, I think they're sponsored by them. So yeah, you can get these for a wide range of vehicles. And that's all I got for the review. I mean, it's a bed mat. There's not much to say. It's very easy to install. You throw it in your bed and you stack a bunch of crap on top of it, and you know, it's a bed mat. You either have one or you don't. If you don't have one, I would consider getting this one because it is good protection. Just get one in general because you're going to want to protect your bed. It's a good investment. That's all I got for now. Let's get to the giveaway. Now, we're on Big Bear right now. We just got done pre-running a trail for this takeover giveaway collaboration thing that we got going on. Now, as a part of this Black Armour mats review, we're doing a giveaway, and we're doing it with Keep It Dirty Off-Road. That's Helio right over there. We're gonna go talk to him in just a second, but we're gonna be giving away 2 Black Armour mats as well as some other goodies, merchandise, all that fun stuff. We're gonna be giving away one for the Tacoma. Where's my Tacoma? Tacoma's right there. One just like mine, and then we're giving away one for the F-150, which would fit F-150s and Raptors. We're gonna be running Pioneer Town all the way to Big Bear. It's gonna be a really fun run. We're gonna do a little bit of pre-running, a little bit of rock crawling, a little bit of hill climbs. Once we get to Big Bear, we're gonna set up shop, have lunch, do the giveaway, and then after that, we'll go run some more trails. What we're gonna run, that's a little bit up in the air. We like to keep our options open. Once everybody's out here, we'll take a vote. Maybe we'll go run, you know, John Bull. Maybe we'll go run Gold Mountain. Who knows? I do want to see some Raptors on Gold Mountain. Just saying. So everybody, welcome Helio back to the channel. Now, Helio was on the very first episode of Dirtnation Off-Road. A long time ago. You guys didn't watch that video. That's fine. I'm not mad. But that was a good time. He had a different Raptor back then. I had the same Tacoma, but just pop back. You guys can see what happened. I crashed my drone. Battery popped out. Things all cracked. The wing sucks. I don't even know what I hit. That didn't sound good.
That was your rim. That was your rim.
There's another one over there. God damn it.
My truck's still running in the intro, my old one anyways.
No. We changed the intro, remember?
Well, the old intro.
In the old intro. So if you watch the old intro, there's a little part where he's like speeding by. And that's Helio's old Raptor, which you got the Avalanche Gray. Is that what the color is? Avalanche Gray. Yep. But I already gave you guys all the info for the giveaway. We're working with Keep It Dirty Off-Road, so you guys can go ahead and watch their video. They're going to be doing a review as well as pairing up with us on the giveaway. Chilling in Big Bear. It's going to be a lot of fun. Now, I have a proposition for you. Okay. If this video gets 500 likes, I'll jump the Tacoma.
Oh, shit.
But you have to take the Raptor through Gold Mountain.
Oh, fuck. Deal.
Fuck yeah. You hear it, guys? 500 likes, we're jumping the Tacoma, and we're taking his Raptor through Gold Mountain. Can it get any better than that? This is gonna be fun. All right, let's wrap up this video. I'm out of here. All the info for the run, you'll find it below. Follow us on Instagram, follow us on Facebook. We'll have a flyer, and that'll be shared all over the place. Let's make this thing huge. Let's knock it out of the park. We miss seeing you guys out there on the takeovers and the runs and all that good stuff. I'm out of here for now. Let's get it. What's up, people of Dirt Nation? Quick announcement from us concerning our next Dirt Nation Takeover. We're teaming up with Keep It Dirty Off-Road and Black Armour Bed Mats for a group run and giveaway. August 8th, we'll be running Pioneer Town to Big Bear. Along the way, we're going to do a little bit of pre-running and some optional hill climbs. This run is stock friendly, and a two-wheel drive with clearance can finish the trail. At the end of the trail, we'll be stopping in Big Bear to do a giveaway of 2 Black Armour Bed Mats. Some quick notes for the run: meeting in Pioneer Town near Yucca Valley at 8 a.m. A simple Google search will help you find the town. Make sure to top up on gas and food beforehand because there are no gas stations or stores in Pioneer Town. Also, make sure to pack plenty of food and water for a full day of wheeling. We're also recommending that everybody bring a VHF style radio for communication. These will be important for calling out hazards and directions on the trail. Once again, Dirt Nation Takeover, Pioneer Town to Big Bear, August 8th. Can't wait. We'll see you then.